Alright, today we're going to go over how to change our coordinate system, how to change the speed of the robot, and then how to jog. So the first thing I'm going to show you how to do is the coordinate system here. Currently, right up here, I'll tell you your coordinate system. Right now we're in world. There's a button on the keyboard here, so when I hit coordinate, it's COORD, and it goes to tool, and user. There's a few other ones in here, joint. But we're just going to mainly use world today. So that's how you change your coordinate system. Now, I'm going to show you how to change your speed. If we look up here, you get this green box. There are two percentage up and down buttons on the bottom of the keyboard. So when I press it up, it increments up by 5. So I'm going to set it to 50. Alright, so that's the speed of the robot. Now I'm going to run the robot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my dead man switch, I'm going to pull it in, and I'm going to hold it. Then with my thumb, I'm going to hit the shift button, I'm going to hold that, and then I'm just going to press on the keyboard where it says plus X. And then you'll hear it turn on, that's the brakes releasing, and then it moving. So now we're going X minus. And I'll go Y negative, Y positive, and then Z, which is up, Z positive, and then Z negative, down. There are a bunch of other weird ways we can move it. So if we go down to the bottom, so that was the first top 6. If we go down to the bottom 6 buttons, we can rotate that way, and our Y, and our X, then in our Y, go this way, and then Z. Okay. And that's how you jog the robot. When you pull off of the dead man switch, you'll hear the brakes engage again. And then we can see up here that the fault goes off for the dead man switch release. But that's how we need it to be. So that's how you jog that robot and how you change all the settings that you need.